Welcome to Ladson, South Carolina, one of the most accessible and affordable suburbs in all of Charleston, and yet one that still remains a small hidden gem. I'm Sarah Newman with eXp Realty, and today I'm sharing with you our newest listing. This home was recently built by D.R. Horton in 2023. Enjoy all the benefits of new construction, plus over $13,000 in additional recent updates. This open concept ranch home is complete with 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower and walk-in closet, and is positioned in the back of the home to ensure added privacy. You'll enjoy new LVP flooring throughout the home. No carpet in sight. The modern kitchen is well equipped with granite countertops, a brand new refrigerator, 5-burner gas stove, trendy light fixture, and a peninsula overlooking the living room to make entertaining a breeze. This home is currently for sale for just $335,000. Farms is a cozy community centrally located in the heart of Ladson, only 10 minutes to historic downtown Summerville, 10 minutes to Nexton Square, and less than 30 minutes to downtown historic Charleston. You're also only a few minutes from Interstate 26, allowing a quick commute to restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Thank you for joining me today. If you would like more information on this home or others in the area, please reach out. All the contact information is pinned below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can be the first one to know about all things Charleston.